Yo, we back. We're out here in Colombia. This is the reason why I haven't been making videos. Not because I'm in Colombia, just because I haven't had time. Because I've been out here exploring with the family and everything, and it is time consuming. But we're back, stronger than ever. Actually, we're back Monday because that's when I'm gonna start posting every day. But we're here. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my strategy for dropshipping in 2018. So make sure you stay tuned, man. Let's jump into a little intro. So today I'm actually gonna touch on two different subjects, maybe three, maybe four, but whatever. Point is, why haven't I been making videos? Because I've been out here and I really haven't had any time. Because I've been out exploring parks with the family and everything, so it's been really hard for me to actually have time to sit down, be with the camera and everything. Today I actually have time because they decided to stay here in the vacation house that we got. So I have time to edit, I have time to record and everything. But one of my goals for 2018 is that I'm gonna upload at least 365 videos to YouTube. So obviously I haven't been posting this first 2-3 days, but I will catch up because my goal is definitely I'm gonna be posting every day. But I will catch up, so I'll maybe post 2 videos a day or something. Another thing that I wanted to touch on is, yes, I am gonna be doing a 2018 goals. I know a lot of people are asking me on Instagram and everything, like, to make a goals video, how I do goals, like how I write them out and everything. But I want to have my whiteboard for that, so I will be posting that on Monday once I'm back in Miami, settled and everything, back to work. So Monday you guys will be seeing my 2018 goals. We'll be dropping a little cinematic edit and everything. Of course, I'm still drop shipping. I've been drop shipping always. I haven't stopped. I still have my sites running and everything because that's like more, Facebook ads, a couple Instagram influencers. That's more like less time consuming than actually making a video, because when I make a video I need like at least a couple hours, to actually sit down, edit and everything, thumbnail and all that. But drop shipping, I can do it on the go and everything, so we good. I'm gonna be doing a Colombia cinematic vlog, whatever, posting it this week. But today's video, we're gonna be talking about my strategy for dropshipping in 2018. So am I gonna be changing a few things, or how am I gonna approach it? Am I still gonna be doing Instagram influencers? I'm gonna be focused on Facebook ads. I'm gonna go deep on that. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly everything I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna jump in the computer just to show you guys the exact strategy. I am gonna be back in Miami, so consulting calls are back open if you wanna schedule starting Monday forward. So if you wanna go ahead and schedule a consulting call, the link is down below. Facebook group, the link is down below as well. Big community, willing to help each other out. And if you want to join Shopify with a 2-week free trial, the link is down below. So without further ado, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Let's jump straight into the video. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the content coming in 2018. It's gonna be completely crazy. You guys are completely gonna love it. I'm gonna be talking about strategies, everything I've been doing times 10. A lot of lifestyle videos, cinematic shit, inspiring shit. So thank you for the support. We just hit 12,000, so that's crazy, So just be ready for 2018. Let's all make a killing. Let's all make money. 2018 goals coming Monday. I'll be dropping some videos before that. And peace out, man. Thank you for watching. Sure, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, so I am gonna be talking about my strategy for 2018. So this is only regarding dropshipping, because cryptocurrency, as I said, it's not my main thing. Dropshipping, personal branding, that's my main business. So yes, I have made some good money with cryptocurrency. I'll be talking about that next week. Probably Tuesday I'll make a video on how much I've made and everything. I'll show you guys right now if you guys are interested. Right now I have $42,000. And that's all from like a $3,000 investment that's what I started with. Obviously started going up and everything. Last time I showed you guys, I think it was about 7,000, and I literally haven't dropped a single dollar. But I have moved currencies around, and that's why I have $42,000 right now. But you guys have to wait till Tuesday to see that, because right now we're talking about drop shipping, because drop shipping is gonna make me a milli this year at least. So my goal for 2018 is to at very least, have $1 million in profit, which is completely doable. So let's do the math. If I want to make a milli, I have to make 83,333 per month. So it starts to make more sense, like when you do it like this, it becomes a lot more doable, which is, if you divide it by 30, basically only 2,777 per day. That's nothing, bro. Drop shipping, like, come on. If you're having $6,000 days, obviously this becomes a lot more likely with Facebook ads. Main strategy. Let me make this smaller so you guys can see more on the screen. Testing, utilizing FB ads. But I am gonna be doing Instagram influencers. Why? Because Instagram influencers has made me $10,000 days, $8,000 days, $6,000 days, $4,000 days. Why is this? Just because, you know, it's very quick. You don't have to like go through the whole testing process just as Facebook. You probably don't lose as much money as Facebook when you start, because an influencer is very simple. You get someone with influence to post a product in their story or whatever, and that's it. Like, they'll literally, like, I mean, obviously they're good. That's why I said someone with influence. Just because they have a lot of followers does not mean they're someone with influence. I've talked in my videos how to see if someone has influence, if they have real comments, real likes, social blade, all that. I'm not going into that right now because I'm showing you guys my strategy. But once you get someone with influence, you have a good product that you've probably tested before, or, you know, you want to test out with an influencer that's cheaper, it probably worked out, then you move on to someone bigger. Once their viewers see that, they're gonna be like, okay, this person has influence, I trust them. There's some sort of trust there. They'll go ahead and purchase. You get, let's say, someone that gets 100,000 views on an Instagram story, which is not too hard to get. So if you get someone that has 100,000 views per story, and, you know, out of those 100,000 people, let's say it's very realistic for 30 to 50 people to buy. That's lowballing it. So let's say 50 people buy. Your profit is 15 bucks. That's already 750 bucks. Very easy, very simple. The influencer probably wouldn't be around. I tell you guys to do $1 for every 1,000 story views. So 100. So minus 100 at 650, and after ordering it's probably like 165. You keep 500 bucks. You subtract this from your per day. You're doing the rest with Facebook ads. Can take you to that $1 million profit a year very easily, you know. So what's my strategy? Plus IG influencers, which is faster testing, faster profits. So I'm gonna go scroll down. So if you want to screenshot this right now, go ahead and screenshot it. That way you can have it in your little whiteboard, how much you have to make per day to get to 1 million. But yes, 1 million seems like a very scary figure. But once you break it down to how much you have to be making per day, come on. Let's even do it by the hour. So 220, 2777. You have to be making $115 an hour for 24 hours. How many sales is that? 5 sales, 6 sales, very doable. So I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know a lot about Facebook ads and everything, just because it's obviously a lot more complicated. I haven't talked about it much in my YouTube channel. As I did, my main focus before was Instagram influencers. It's still one, like, you could say 50-50. But this past month, I've been working a lot on Facebook ads, testing a lot of Facebook ads, testing sites, testing products, and now I'm in a position where I can, like, you know, talk about it on YouTube and everything. So strategy wise, you guys already know Instagram. Very simple. So Instagram, this is a strategy. You find a good product, really good product. Then find, let's say, $30 to $45 influencer, which is not too expensive. You have to make sure you do the research. If you don't know how to, go through my old videos. I talk about how to do really good influencer research, how to know if they're good and all that. So you have to make sure you do that. After that, you go ahead and test product in story or post. I personally prefer story. Why? There's its pros and cons. Just because people can swipe up, they can click your little username and follow you. And I've seen more success with story. It's usually cheaper. But the thing is that post stays there forever, usually, unless they delete it. But usually they'll leave it there forever, so you do get more sales long term. Like, no, not more sales, but you get a couple more sales long term. But I feel like story just converts a lot more just because people swipe up. So then once you have the story or post, it goes 2 ways. Either you make your profit and break even and it was successful, or you failed. If failed, analyze data to like make sure what was bad, the influencer or the product, because you don't want to get rid of a product that might be really good just because an influencer sucked. So to make sure product is bad, like you want to make sure it's bad before you just throw it out. So how do you do this? Check if you got a lot of abandoned carts. If you have a lot of abandoned carts, that means that people are interested, but maybe you're charging a lot for shipping. Maybe your price is just too expensive. Maybe you said in the story that it was $5. When they got to your site, it was actually $10. So if you're getting abandoned carts, that's a good thing. That means that people like the product. Like they actually took the time to add it to cart, but it was something that turned them off. If you didn't get any add to carts, if you didn't get any traffic, and the influencer does get views and you're sure they're legit and everything, chances are your product is actually bad. So when it comes to Instagram, it's obviously more complicated than this, but I'm talking about strategy. I'm not telling you guys how to do it right now. I'm just showing you guys the strategy. Facebook wise, it does get a lot more complex, but I'm just gonna basically, since I'm not going into detail like crazy and everything, if you guys do want to see that, comment it down below. Well, Facebook wise, yes, it's gonna be more expensive than Instagram probably off the bat, because if you're testing 3 products daily, that adds up quick. 3 times 5, 15. $15 a day to start with, but it's gonna start racking up because you're testing 3 products a day. So it does get more expensive, but then just killing non-successful, and there's obviously, just because you don't have a sale doesn't mean it's not successful, but if you're not in the profit or everything, you probably just want to go ahead and kill it. So killing non-successful, obviously Facebook, it's not like Instagram that you just have an ad and you throw it out there. There's a lot of options, a lot of variables, targeting. What type of ad is it optimized for? Is it conversion, engagement, whatever? I will be going in depth into that, but right now I'm just talking about the strategy overall that I'm doing to reach 1 million profit this year. So if you guys do want to see more in depth about that, comment it down below. I'll do it in the video next week. But so basically Facebook, I'm going to be testing 3 products daily at 5. After 3 or 4 days, I'm killing non-successful ads. Let me do a little dash here. And then I'm just going to be testing and testing and testing until I find the winner. So what determines a winner? I'll be talking about in the next video, but basically a winner is a product that's driving traffic, good quality traffic. You don't want countries that don't really buy. There's a lot of countries such as India, Philippines, and everything. Doesn't mean I don't like the countries or anything, but a lot of these traffic from these countries don't buy just because they're not used to the dollar currency. So maybe they're interested in the product, but once they get there, they don't actually check out. So you're paying a lot of money on Facebook for those clicks, yet they're not really converting. So if your traffic is good, you're being profitable, you're getting a lot of clicks, your cost per click is going down, that's a winner right there. It has a chance of going viral. So until winner is found, then scale. So how do you scale? You don't just throw more money into the same ad, because then you ruin it. You have to go into duplicating and a lot of that. So I will be going in depth, like I said, but then scale, and then scale past 1K a day, then 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Till I have my $10,000 days, $5,000 days, $20,000 days, etc. Once you find a winner, it's not too hard to scale from 1,000 to 2,000 to 4,000. So that's exactly how I plan on making 2,777 per day. With dropshipping, it's really not that hard. It's all under your control. It's not like social media marketing that you have to deal with a lot of customers and everything, and it's very hard to get this amount unless you have really high ticket pain. But this is all under your control. If you're putting in the work, if you're doing a lot of testing and everything, you are destined to get this. Obviously not everybody's gonna get it. Not everybody has the same work ethic. Not everybody has the same experience testing and everything. But if you do put in the work, this is doable for everybody, man. 100%. So, and this is only from dropshipping. personal brand wise, YouTube and all that. I do plan to make a lot more than 1 million this year, but this is just for dropshipping. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the content coming in 2018. It's gonna be completely crazy. You guys are completely gonna love it. You know, I'm gonna be talking about strategies, everything I've been doing times 10. A lot of lifestyle videos, cinematic shit, inspiring shit. So thank you for the support. We just hit 12,000, so that's crazy, you know. So just be ready for 2018. Let's all make a killing. Let's all make money. 2018 goals coming Monday. I'll be dropping some videos before that, and peace out, man. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right.